Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Before COVID, David and I used to go out for breakfast at least once a month. One of our neighborhood restaurants closed and it forced me to make one of my husband's favorite items, which is farmer's sausage skillet. Loaded with great ingredients, this is a delicious dish that will keep you satisfied until dinner. So let's get cooking. First, we'll start prepping the potatoes by poking them with a fork a few times. Now, this is a rare time you'll see me using a microwave, but I do once in a while. We'll place our poked potatoes on a paper towel and process for 4 minutes on high. When time is up, we'll flip them and cook for an additional 4 minutes. So, a few minutes later, they should be almost done, and to find out, they'll squeeze easily. Keep in mind that we'll cook them more in the oven later. We'll transfer the potatoes on a cutting board and allow them to cool. They're way too hot. So when we can handle them, we'll cube the spuds by slicing them in half, then each half in half again before cutting into cubes. The size we want is about this. And we'll set them aside. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add the smoked sausage that we cut into quarters. And we'll saute it for 5 minutes. It's already smoked, so we just need to brown the pieces. That's all. A few minutes later, we'll scoop them into a bowl using a slotted spoon and set aside for now. Back to our skillet. We'll reduce the heat to medium and add onions before seasoning with ground sea salt. We'll saute for a couple minutes. If it needs more oil, add some, but remember that adding salt to the onions will draw the moisture out. To this, we'll add red peppers as well as green peppers and saute the ingredients for 3 minutes. We'll now add the mushrooms plus a tablespoon of butter and stir until it's melted and the mushrooms are coated with it. We'll season with freshly ground black pepper and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often. Next, we'll return the sausage back to the skillet, including the potatoes that we cubed earlier, and gently mix everything together. The potatoes are 98% cooked, so we don't want them to break down while stirring. Now, we'll evenly divide the mixture between 2 8-inch cast iron skillets. Then we'll top with grated sharp cheddar cheese and also pepper jack cheese. The combination is perfect for this recipe. When this is done, we'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes or until the cheeses are completely melted and the top is golden brown. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the eggs as desired. That morning, I choose mine fried, while David went for scrambled. Before adding the eggs, let's not forget to sprinkle the top with chopped green onions. And my friends, this is our farmer's sausage skillet. With a tasty combination of sausage, vegetables, and cheeses, it's a hearty and delicious recipe that can be enjoyed for either breakfast or brunch. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!